This is Lamium orvala, one of the prettiest flowers you are ever likely to see. Look at that deep, rich colour, and the patterned lip is just fantastic. The flowers are almost like a foxglove, but the colour is just belay that there's something else. The leaves also belay that this plant is something else. And if we look closely at the leaves, see. What does that remind you of? Well, yes, it's a nettle. This is from the nettle family, but dead nettle because there's no stinging involved. And I've resisted buying this plant for years because I cannot stand those leaves. However, when I recently visited June Blake's garden, she showed me a little trick to make your plant look more attractive. And it just involves pinching out some or all of those top leaves in spring when the plant is in flower. Just be careful of those buds. And they're all ready. For me anyway, that makes a much more attractive plant.